In today's video, we're going to talk a little bit more about cryptocurrency because I mentioned it on the channel not too long ago, and it's a pretty big thing, especially with Bitcoin right now. It's a pretty big thing, if I do say so myself. I'm basically going to show you guys the best place to store your cryptocurrency that actually earns you money without you having to do absolutely anything. So if you're interested in any of that, sit back, relax, and watch this quick video. Let's talk about BlockFi. Before we dive in, you guys already know the deal. Make sure you drop a like on this video. That really helps the channel out. It helps this video out. It pushes the video out to more people so more people can see it, which in turn helps the channel out. You know, you get the vibes. You get the vibes. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you like more videos like this. And lastly, make sure you check out those links down below in the description. That'll get yourself some free stocks. It'll get you some free cryptocurrency. You'll save money on gas. A whole bunch of links down there to help you save some money or earn some free money. So why not check those links out? They're all free because that's what I do here on the channel. So yeah, either way, let's not waste any more time. Let's jump right into what I'm talking about today, which is BlockFi. In the simplest terms, BlockFi is a cryptocurrency wallet where you can actually store your cryptocurrency on, just like Coinbase is, and you can store your cryptocurrency on Coinbase. You can store your cryptocurrency on BlockFi as well. Make sure you watch my investing into Bitcoin video because that'll probably cover most, if not all, of your questions regarding cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, blockchain in general, all these different terms that you might not know about. That video covers essentially everything. So make sure you check that video out and then come back to this video and get yourself some free money. Either way, what makes BlockFi so special? Because like I said before, it's a cryptocurrency wallet just like Coinbase has one, BlockFi has one. So what makes BlockFi different from Coinbase? And I'm going to pull this straight from the BlockFi website because they explain it perfectly and they make it so simple, so easy to understand. So here we go. The old way of doing things doesn't cut it anymore. With BlockFi, you can use cryptocurrency to earn interest up to 8.6% APY, borrow cash, and buy or sell crypto. There's no hidden fees, no minimum balances, and no reason to wait. So as I just mentioned, there are two major keys for me personally for BlockFi. The first one is that you can earn interest on your cryptocurrency. So that means if you store Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, whatever on BlockFi, they're going to give you free money every single month on whatever cryptocurrency you have stored there. So as long as you have it sitting in your BlockFi account, you're going to get free money every single month because you're going to earn interest on it every single month, and that's compounded every single month. So like I said before, free money up to 8.6%. That's good stuff there. BlockFi currently supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, Gemini USD, Litecoin, Pax, USD Coin, as well as Pax Gold. The second thing, which I think is also pretty major, but I probably won't use myself, is BlockFi allowing you to borrow against whatever crypto you actually have. So with rates as low as 4.5%, you don't have to sell your crypto to get cash. At BlockFi, we'll let you borrow against your crypto assets so you can hold a loan while you also continually hold your crypto. So overall, that is the gist of BlockFi, but what would this video be if I didn't actually show you how to actually transfer your money over to BlockFi so you can get that interest? So let's do just that. So you cannot buy the crypto that BlockFi actually supports on the BlockFi app. You actually have to buy the crypto from a different crypto broker. In this instance, I have Coinbase, but you can use Gemini, you can use Crypto.com, you can use Binance US, however you buy your crypto. Let me know how you actually buy your crypto in the comment section down below, but I personally use Coinbase, and that's what I'm going to use for this example. Also, if you don't have Coinbase, make sure you sign up with my Coinbase link down below because that'll get you a free $10 as long as you buy $100 worth of any cryptocurrency. So you spend $100 on Coinbase or you buy $100 worth of any cryptocurrency, you'll get a free $10 worth in Bitcoin. So pretty cool stuff there, but let's actually go and show you what we got going on for this video. We're going to use Bitcoin as our example. So let's go ahead and open up Coinbase. Once Coinbase is open, I'm going to go ahead and click on Bitcoin, and I actually want to buy some Bitcoin. As you can see, I have about $9.30 worth of Bitcoin right now. Let's actually go and buy some. Let's go purchase, buy some Bitcoin, and I'm going to buy $10 worth of Bitcoin. This will be a one-time purchase. Preview buy. All this kind of good stuff, got the fees and all that kind of blah blah blah. And once we do that, I should have Bitcoin in my account, and that'll take a second. So now if I go back to my Bitcoin, I got the $10 worth, so now I'm sitting at $18.26 worth in Bitcoin, and I actually want to transfer this Bitcoin out because like I mentioned before, Coinbase doesn't pay you any interest on your cryptocurrency, but BlockFi does. So I want to transfer $10 worth of Bitcoin from Coinbase to BlockFi. It's a super simple process, and I'm going to show it to you right now. So what we're going to do is actually we're going to close out Coinbase. We're going to go over to BlockFi and open that up. Once your account is set up and everything, this is what you'll see on BlockFi. As you can see, I have a little bit of Bitcoin and I also have a little bit of Ethereum on my BlockFi account, but we're not here for that. We're actually going to go over and click on this plus button at the bottom. We're going to go and hit deposit. we're going to go and deposit whichever coin we want to deposit. In this case, we're going to deposit some Bitcoin, so we need to click on Bitcoin, and you're going to copy this wallet address. So this wallet address is specific to you. This number on here, or these numbers and letters on here, will not be the same as yours, so it's not possible. It just won't be the same. Either way, we're going to go ahead and copy that, and we're going to take this back over to Coinbase. So we're going to close BlockFi, open Coinbase back up. We're going to click on that blue button at the bottom of Coinbase where you see those 2 arrows. Click on that. There are 5 options here: buy, sell, convert, send, and receive. We're actually going to use the send option and send crypto to another wallet. And we're actually going to send $10 worth of Bitcoin over from Coinbase to my BlockFi account. We are then going to paste that address that we just copied from BlockFi, and then you can put a note if you want. In this case, I'll put a note. I'll say Bitcoin 10 YouTube, Bitcoin 10 YouTube, basically letting people know that, or letting myself know that I transferred 10 Bitcoin over to BlockFi and I made it for a YouTube video. So this is what we're doing. Preview send. And you can confirm that all this stuff is right. In this case, it is. I've already done this multiple times. Click send now. And I'll get a 7-digit verification code, which I shouldn't give out to anyone, but this is a pre-recorded video, so it doesn't matter. Click submit. They'll text that to your phone or probably give you a code via email, and that'll be about it. And we can go ahead and click done, and it should take about 30 minutes to transfer over, or roughly 30 minutes. It could be a little bit less than that, to transfer over from Coinbase to BlockFi. So once everything's said and done, you can actually just open up your interest account on BlockFi. You can go and click on Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever coin you decide to transfer. You can go ahead and click on that, and you can see how much you have in that particular coin. In this case, it hasn't transferred yet. You can see my Bitcoin is worth about $30, and when it transfers, it'll be worth roughly $39, $40. You'll receive interest on your cryptocurrency every single day, and that money will actually be deposited into your BlockFi account once a month, and it'll be compounded, obviously, once a month as well. Currently, for Bitcoin, the interest rate is 6%. For Ethereum, the interest rate is 5.25%. For Litecoin, the interest rate is 6.5%. And what Pax Gold, the interest rate is 5%. All really great APYs, all great APYs that you won't receive from any bank account, but obviously this is 100% different from any bank account. So don't even get that confused, because this is cryptocurrency, so this number could fluctuate every single second, which it basically does anyway. While we wait for that money to actually transfer over to my BlockFi account, I also want to mention that BlockFi, link down below, you'll get a free $10 as well from BlockFi when you transfer your money over to BlockFi. So that's a free $10 in Bitcoin on Coinbase after you deposit that 100 into any crypto, plus another free $10 on BlockFi once you transfer over $100 worth of any crypto. So there you go, basically a free $20 in cryptocurrency, or a free $20 in general if you go ahead and sell it. So there you go. That's kind of it. And about 20 minutes later, you can see on my BlockFi account right now, I have about $40 worth of Bitcoin versus that $30 of Bitcoin that I had before. You can see it's pretty simple to do. There's nothing really crazy about it. The only thing you need to make sure of is the addresses match up, and you can't really mess up the addresses matching up, because all you have to do is just copy and paste from one to another. So it's that simple. There you go. That's how you transfer it. Lastly, I just wanted to mention security on these crypto apps. So as far as I know, I haven't had any issues with BlockFi as far as security goes. They have pretty top-of-the-notch security, and same thing goes for Coinbase. So if you want to keep your crypto on BlockFi or Coinbase, then obviously you can do just that. I'm going to keep mine on BlockFi for obvious reasons, so I can go ahead and get that APY, or that interest rate, because it makes a lot of sense. But that is not the best way or the most secure way to secure your crypto. The most secure way to secure your crypto is most likely going to be with a crypto ledger device. It's about a flash drive size type of device, and basically you can store all your crypto on there. It'll be a wallet address, and you go and move it the same way I moved it from Coinbase to BlockFi. You go and put that address in on your ledger device, and it'll be an actual physical device, and you move it from Coinbase to that actual device, and that, like I mentioned before, will be a physical device. I do not currently have one, but I do plan to get one, and if you're interested in getting one, you can actually go and buy one on Amazon right now. I'll put a picture up on screen to show you exactly what it looks like and the name of it. Once I actually get one, I'll do a full tutorial on it if you guys want, but I already know that Andre Jack, he's actually another personal finance YouTuber, or basically a finance YouTuber. He's already made a full-blown breakdown of how you actually use it. So if you guys want to check out that video, I highly recommend you just go check out his video, because I mean, he breaks it down step by step. It's about a 20-minute video, but it's perfect because everything's there. He shows you everything that you need to know about setting it up and everything like that. But if you guys still want to see it from me, sure, I'll make one. I don't have one yet, but let me know and I'll make a video. Not a problem. But other than that, that's basically it for this video. So if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you hit it with a like button. Make sure you subscribe to see more videos like this. Make sure you check out the links down below for crypto to get yourself some free crypto. Check out the links down below to get yourself some free stocks as well, because it's all linked down below. And that's basically that. So let me know what else you guys want to see on the channel. I got you covered 100%. Thank you for watching this video. I'm out. Dollar Mike. Peace.